I'm Matthew, I'm a data scientist at Ocado.
Hello, I'm Kelly, I'm the recruitment coordinator for Ocado Technology. We're here today at the ICT Hack 2018 with Imperial. We've had a fantastic weekend and we just want to tell you a little bit about why it's important to be here. We are sponsoring the event this year. It has been really excellent to be here and pose a challenge to some of the students. We're looking for some really innovative and interesting ideas, and we obviously want to get these people on board, which is an excellent opportunity for us to sponsor something like this.
The problem was that we set the students this year was on route optimization with time window constraints added with the hour-long shopping window that we have to satisfy in Ocado.
I guess also it's quite creative in some ways. Like you get to create your own solutions and programs, and that's quite fun. And then I think also like I was always quite interested in computers. So then being able to find out how computers work and how to actually make programs was always something I was quite interested in.
I actually heard about this from Trenton a few days ago.
Yeah, it was just a group of friends who went to hackathons before and said they're good, so we're in our third year now. We've not gone to this before, but we thought this would be a good time to start.